Hello everyone, Rico here, and today's project is going to be the PCA9685 PWM driver, and I wanted to experiment with it on my Raspberry Pi 4 here, and so I picked one up from a local supplier and soldered it to this dip adapter so I could prototype with it. And after a little bit of studying the data sheet, got it to produce an output here on this little scope. And there's the circuit, how it ties to the Raspberry Pi, what pins. It uses the I2C data bus, and pretty straightforward. Set all the address pins to ground, which I don't have on this diagram, but they're all grounded. And I'm looking at my LED is on pin 6 there, LED 0. And here's the data sheet, one of the pages for it. And more interestingly, what I found is that I had to turn off the low power mode to get the internal oscillator running. That's what this little line here is right there. Once I did that, I started getting an output, and then studied the data sheet some more, and the first two lines right there are what time you want to turn on. There's an internal clock that runs from 0 to 4095, I think it is. So I start turning on at 0, and then depending on how bright I want my LED, I turn off that signal. And in this case, I've got a new value punched in and saved. And then I put all this stuff in a script to make it easy. And then up here in this window, I just up arrow and then run that shell script again, which I'm going to do right now, and with the new value, and you'll see the pulse width change here. So you can see it went up a little bit, and of course the LED got a little bit brighter. So anyhow, that's the project for today. Have a good one.